In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off your iPhone device without using power button. If you have an old device and if you have some issues with your power button and you want to restart your device, you can do it without using power button at all. And now let me show you how you can simply do that. So first, open up Settings. Here, scroll down for a bit and tap on General. There, scroll down to the very bottom where you can find Shutdown option. Just tap on it. It brings you to that screen where you can move that slider to the very right position to turn off your device. Then, if you want to turn your device on, all you have to do is connect power cable to your iPhone, and after that your device will be turned on. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.